of YouTube? It's me, Dhar Mann. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to another Dhar Mann video. And this one is called Mom Throws Her Son's Xbox. She instantly regrets the decision she made. You already know you should go subscribe to Dhar Mann, but before you subscribe to him, you always should subscribe to me. Like this video, comment down below what I should react to next, and share this video to your family and friends so my channel can expand. But also, like, I did not plan on recording today, but I just saw this video pop up and I was trying to go record today, but I couldn't find nothing to react to because no big YouTuber that I like subscribe to, which I follow a lot, did not really upload today. And so Dhar Mann was the only one who uploads today, so yeah, I'm normally reacting to him. But don't worry, I do react to other channels, but this one is just right on the market. So let's just get right into the video. Please share this video to your family and friends. Let's get straight into this. Oh, and turn on your post notifications so you can know whenever I upload. Let's get straight to it.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Damien, will you pick up your controller? This is the second time I've stepped on it.
Sorry, Mom.
What are you doing playing video games on a Monday? You should be out looking for a job.
Yeah, he
You
looked
have bills
kind of
to pay,
old.
you know?
But this is a job. I can make a lot of money as a gamer.
Yeah.
I've got a tournament tonight. If I win that, I'll get paid a lot.
Bro,
Playing
people do be
video
getting
games
paid a lot for
isn't a real
tournaments
job.
and like
You need a
Fortnite.
career, like becoming
Yes,
a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer.
Guy on the roof. Broke his shield. Downed him.
I swear, I'm gonna break that game.
Honey, it's okay. If that's what he wants to do, then we should support his dreams, right?
Yeah.
Dreams don't pay the bills, Ron.
Wait, let me pause right here. So, you know me, starting out as like a very low YouTuber with very low subscribers. My dad and my mom is supporting my dream to like do YouTube, so I get what the dad is saying. But at the same time, I will still be out looking for a job as I do YouTube, trying to do as much as I can at the same time, so I could provide for my future. Cause the reason I do YouTube is just so I won't be having to work for a 9-to-5 job or go to college. Cause to be honest, I really don't like school. And who does? So I'm trying to find like a better way to suit my living and to suit my dream of actually becoming someone successful in life. Let's get right back to the video. Alright. Wait. Dang! I'm 14. I got some time for this stuff. Oh my god. Wait, is that the Xbox 360? It is nowadays. Ninja, Dude Dennis, a lot of people. She don't know. This could be the night that his life totally changed around from all that money that he finna get. Yeah, it said that she find it behind a dumpster. How much is it? Dang. Mm. Signing up. He got 50. That he got 50K. I want that. I want 50K subscribers and my 50K dollars. Wait, let me pause this real fast. I want 50K subscribers. I know it's gonna take a lot of time, bro, because I only did like less than 10 videos. It's not gonna take that to get like a 10,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna be on here for some time. I'm gonna be grinding a lot. Don't think I'm gonna go away like the other two videos that I did. That was like when I was like 12 and 13. I'm 14 now. I noticed that I finally got like really start getting into crunching in that time to like start getting money now, because nowadays people, the world is kind of slow, and I gotta do whatever I can to make sure I have a better future. So that's what I'm doing. I got like $30 on me right now. There's $30, like more than $30 on me. That's, yeah, that's good for right now. But as I get older, I'm gonna have to move out of my mom's house. I don't want to be homeless or whatever, so I'm just doing this stuff now. I'm gonna start helping my dad out with shirts, buying stuff and stuff. I'm just trying to make a better future for myself and a better living for myself. Let's get straight back to this. I just feel like I have to like tell y'all something about like what my goals are and stuff. Yeah, that she's sorry about me. I feel so happy when I do these videos. That's why I'm like always smiling. I feel so happy when I do these videos. I just love doing this. Okay, that's the end of the video. It was pretty short, but it was pretty enjoyable to watch. Yeah, it was a great video, you know. So you already know you should subscribe to me. Subscribe to me most definitely. Share this to all your friends and family, please. Expand it. Like this video up. Comment down below what I should react to next. Cause for right now, I don't have nothing to react to, and tomorrow I'm not even gonna upload. So if you do want me to upload tomorrow, you gotta comment down below what I should react to. But I'm out of here. Thumbs out. Share this, please. Subscribe, please. Stop just viewing it and not subscribing or not liking or not commenting or not sharing. Watch it and say, hey, this is a guy that I wanna watch. Alright, I'll see you.